Are you washing your microfiber towels right? Welcome to Microfiber Monday here on the Euro YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be introducing you to some expert tips on how to clean your microfiber towels correctly. So let's dive deeper on how to care for your microfiber towels. Firstly, be sure to wash your microfiber towels separate from the rest of your laundry. Microfiber tends to collect lint and dirt from other clothes onto it because of its super-absorbent characteristic of lifting and trapping dirt and debris. So be sure to do a separate load of laundry with your microfiber towels. Next, do not use bleach or fabric softener. If you accidentally end up using some, wash it off with lots of cold water and nothing else, and your towels will be good to use again. Another crucial point when washing your microfiber towels is to not use laundry detergent pods or powder. Another enemy of microfiber is laundry soap or detergent that doesn't get fully washed away. A buildup of soap or other laundry products will clog the fibers and ruin their effectiveness. That is why it is advisable to only use mild, dye-free, scent-free liquid detergents for optimum cleaning results. The next crucial point is to not wash your microfiber towels in hot water. The reason why we don't use hot water is because of microfiber's low melting point, meaning hot water can melt the fibers, making the cloth shrink up and curl, rendering it useless. It is advisable to use only cold water or warm water when washing your microfiber towels. Another one of the most important points when drying your microfiber towels that you cannot forget is to not heat dry. As mentioned before, the polyester and microfiber towels have a low melting point, meaning they cannot handle the high heat in drying machines and will end up with melted fibers. Frequent drying in machines will also loosen up the fabric strands and make them prone to fabric pilling. The best practice is to air dry or tumble dry, or simply hang dry inside the house. And finally, when drying your towels, do not use dryer sheets. Like when using detergents with deposits, the dryer sheets will leave a waxy residue and end up clogging the strands in the microfiber, so please do not use dryer sheets. Whether you're tackling spills in your kitchen or shining up those car rims, these tips will ensure that you have long-lasting towels for every cleaning session. And that's the end of this video. If you're interested in purchasing our towels, check the description below. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment on what kind of videos you want to see next. Follow us on our social media. And this has been Microfiber Monday. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.